Welcome. Today we're going to be making a Rossini. A lot of you might be asking what a Rossini is. It's a variation of a mimosa or Bellini or rosata. It's also a variation, if you want, called a poinsettia. So these are all different type of actual cocktails. It's just what's going to make the difference is going to be the juice. And this one, we're going to use a strawberry. It's a great Valentine's Day refresher. It's sparkling. And we're going to use a rosé today instead of normal champagne. But you can use it with the normal brut champagne and it works perfectly too. So with our Rossini, what we're going to do is we're going to use actual champagne flutes. We have our rosé and I have strawberry syrup. And when we make this one, at the end, we actually want to give it a little bit of stir to mix it. A lot of times the order is what's going to make it different. So get my champagne flute, have my strawberry syrup, and I want to do ½ ounce. So ½ ounce strawberry. And then when I add my sparkling here, this is Italian, we want to use Prosecco. Add this in here, and a lot of times we add it after the juice because we want to see how high we're going to go. And we don't want this to be sticky for our guests. So always leave at least a quarter to ½ ounce or ½ inch, sorry, from the top. And with it, we probably want to give it, like I said, a nice little stir just to mix the ingredients. Don't do it too crazy because then it'll foam up right there. And this will have a nice, beautiful strawberry that we put for the garnish. And right here, we have a Rossini. Thanks for hanging out with us here at Las Vegas Bartenders. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future cocktails, tips, and industry insights. Until next time, drink smart, stay creative, and we'll see you behind the bar.